Hi, in this video we're gonna walk through the Storybook support, which has been recently added to the React Body. React Body is an advanced IDE plugin, which is currently available for IntelliJ IDEs, and the VS Code version is on the way. You can download the plugin from the JetBrains marketplace. And the Storybook is a very powerful tool which allows you to develop your components in isolation, to share your components with your colleagues, and to play with different variants of each component. So let's see how the Storybook support looks with React Body. First of all, your project should have a Storybook/React dependency. If it's found, the plugin will detect any stories defined in the project, and when you open any file containing React components, for example TSX or GSX file, you will see that there is a new tool window available for you named Storybook. This tool window contains components and their variants. Using the context menu, you can easily navigate to a particular story. So with this tool window, you can easily observe the available set of components right inside your IDE. But the greatest thing here is that you can not only observe, but use these components to generate the code. So you can simply drag and drop any variant to the GSX or double click on a variant and it will be inserted to the cursor position. But this tool window occupies some space, and if you don't like tool windows and panels, you can simply hide it and use code generation action right from the editor, and we can pick a component from Storybook. Then we see the same set of components. Let's use page, for example, and this page story is a little bit more complicated. You see that it contains more JSX elements, and the story contains hook, so we also support such complex structures here. Okay, what if we want to add a new story for an existing component in my project? For example, let's say I want to add a new story for my card component. React Body provides an intention, which is available when the cursor is on the component name, and then you can press Alt Enter or Option Enter, and then you can pick Add to Storybook. So we see the story creation dialog. Here we can set the category of component, destination. It is configurable. I will show you the preferences where you can configure the default destination. Also, we can generate default arcs for all stories of this component. Okay, let's generate the story. So we see that the new story appears here in the stories subdirectory, and there is an arc. Let's get back to the app component, open the Storybook, and you see that the plugin immediately detects the new story, so we can use it. Okay, let's do the same exercise, but slightly change the options of story generation. Let me delete the story directory. Oh yeah, in order to change default directory, you can go to Preferences, search for React Body, and here we select Storybook and change the default directory to be src/stories. Okay, let's go to our component. Here we want to, for example, I want to create an intermediate category data display. Yeah, and I want to generate default arcs for all props of my card component. Yeah, so we see that the plugin created stubs for all props of the component. And also I want to specify some arcs on the story level, and it will be children, for example. Content. Okay, let's see what happens when we use this component. Okay, you see that we generated all the props according to default arcs plus arcs specified on the component level, and we also specifically support children prop. And we see that our component has been added into the data display category. So that's it. So went through the functions React Body provides for Storybook users. In the upcoming releases, we want to support MDX story format. And also we're preparing support of upcoming Storybook 7 and Component Story Format 3. So stay tuned, follow us on Twitter and YouTube, join our Discord channel, download the plugin, and if you'll find it useful, we'll appreciate your feedback. Thanks for your attention, bye!